What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to turn off notifications for any app. So in order to do this, you're just going to go to your Settings app. And once the Settings app is open, you're just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of Settings. As you begin to scroll, you should see individual spots for the apps that you have downloaded. You're going to go to the app that you want to turn off notifications for. It should be in alphabetical order, so it's easy to find. And then you see the fourth option down. I'm on Instagram, for example. You see notifications. And then right at the top, it makes it super simple for you to just turn off all notifications. And then from now on, you'll not get any more notifications for Instagram, and you could go on with your day. If you have any questions or need help with this tutorial, please comment down below and I'll be sure to help. Otherwise, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks, and check out our other videos, linked in the description.